back everyone, this is Kenetchi Arts and I do character designs and illustrations from the famous characters in comics, anime, and cartoons. And if that's your kind of thing, consider being part of this channel and together we can grow and improve our artistic skills. Okay, so for this episode guys, I'll be drawing the very famous villain in the Batman universe, which is the Joker. Okay, so the reason that I come up with this idea because last year I've done a video wherein I drew all the Batman villains, though I do not draw all of them, just 12, because well, I get lazy in that part. And as I'm looking back to my drawings in that video, I'm very fascinated to my work here of the Joker. Okay, so as I'm evaluating myself on how it looks like, I think I did a pretty good job in making it creepy, but it lacks the quality of the Joker in the comics and in the movies that we've seen. Okay, so the twist I'm going to do for this video is I will transform Joker into a female character. Okay, so let's not waste any more time. Let's hop into the illustration. Okay guys, so before I start my illustration, I'm gathering all of my references here, and you can see these are the Jokers. Okay, so this one is illustrated by Jim Lee, and this is from Jason Fabok and Stanley Lau and Ross Dross. And here is the Joaquin Phoenix Joker, so and other stuff below. So I'll be using all of that to create the illustration that I'm viewing in my mind. So I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so now here is our progress so far, and I'm done putting the line work and the overall structure of the drawing. So this is the most important part in terms of your illustration, because the rendering is something that you can add on, but if this is off, the whole drawing will be off. So now let's start with the shading and let's put some colors. Okay, I'll be back. Welcome back everyone. So here is our progress so far. So now I'm done putting all the flat colors and establishing the shadows in my illustration. So the one thing that I want you to be aware, especially when you are creating your shadows, is to make balance of the hard edges and the soft edges, because this way you can define your forms and your shapes. Okay, so for me, I'm using this square brush. Okay, I'm using this square brush and this soft brush, okay, to balance it out. Okay, so now we will proceed to the gradient maps and color balance, and we will add some lighting to it. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so now here is our progress so far, and I put gradient maps and color balance to achieve this stage. So the one thing that we will do now is to incorporate highlights. Okay, highlights brings contrast in your illustration. So I will show it to you now. See, it makes a difference. And now we will go into refining this piece, and I'll get back to you for the final illustration. Welcome back guys. So now we're done with the illustration, and I'm so happy into the result, because it is an artwork that showed my improvement over the past year. And the one thing that I noticed when I am creating this piece is that lighting plays a very big part in portraying the drama and the story of your character or your illustration. So be sure to study lighting and incorporate that into your artwork. And if you have any questions regarding to my process, feel free to ask me, and I will sure to answer all of them. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.